Now the boat is yours. We are in Baja Naval in Ensenada. Kicked out for not being too big for the dock. We got 3 days to Baja. We'll look for a place to anchor if we need to, otherwise we're going to street through. And we'll be calling to try and line up a spot for at least a little while. Maybe a couple weeks, maybe one day, I don't know. So. Okay, the El Primero, elprimero.com. It's maybe the oldest active yacht in the world. 1893.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's had 4, maybe 6 presidents on there. I don't have all the records, but at least 4 presidents have been on it. And it was the first super yacht on the West Coast. Yeah, so we're gonna try and bring it back to life.
Wow.
That's the plan. So we're filming everything, just in case we die.
What?
We're gonna take it down to El Salvador, and then we're gonna be down there maybe a year to restore the whole thing. And then we want to, maybe at that point in time, if we can restore it well enough, we'll do charters, or maybe let's do Airbnb, or that kind of thing. So, big project, yeah. And I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first time sailing in the ocean.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's a 130 foot boat. But
Definitely.
that old, always something breaks. You gotta fix, you gotta learn how to fix everything, you know. We're getting pretty good, so.
Big challenge.
Big challenge, yeah, that's what I wanted. I was bored, I'm not bored anymore.
Captain's room. With the remodel, that'll be stairs coming down. That's a doghouse. And if you walk up there, that's where we have our anchor chains. That's the stern of the boat, the front, with the bowsprit, and that's where we see our chains. Okay, this is the captain and crew quarters down here. This is our engine room. 2 Detroit diesels in our main generator.
Nothing like a good plan. I don't like it, but it's not a bad plan. I don't like the wind coming in this hard to do. It just makes it too tough with this. That's why the bow thruster would be nice, but you paid for it, it's just not working yet. Probably because nobody's sure how to fix it. It's all the parts are there. So, but these guys will be doing the work up here. And then we gotta see if we get that ass end around and then back straight out. That's what we want to be able to do. We can't go forward because this guy's got his lines on that. I don't know why he's got them that way. I don't understand it. But he's got his lines on these mooring buoys. Doesn't feel like we're into gear.
Go down to the transmission, turn the 2 levers up to put it in gear.
We just gotta watch that bowsprit.
You got it? Okay, go.
Get on!
Nice! Yeah!
It's hard to tell whether it's getting worse. I mean, it definitely seems like it's getting worse going in. It definitely seems like it's getting rougher going in.
I don't know.
It would affect us less from the back, and will put us right back where we were. I don't know what else the fuck changed. We're still in the 6,500 degree water, 6,500 feet of water, but I don't know, I see white caps still up ahead. Nobody out here. Out here by yourself. America's a little different. Mexico, they are coming out for you. They haven't seen one ship or boat around at all. At Graceland for Elvis Presley, his name was TCB, Taking Care of Business. They have Elvis Presley in the front, EP. But EP is also El Primero.
Okay.
I got the El Primero after the glasses, so now I bought like 10 pairs. So everybody has a pair. They work good. I can order them for Graceland. They send them out to me. A lot of people, movie star, but then when I give them to them, then they want them. They're like, hey, they're pretty good. I'm keeping them. So even that's not bad. Kind of cut it a little bit, but I'm gonna take it straight on.
What's up, Mario?
Big waves, man.
Yeah, buddy. There we go.
There it is. Here. Boom. That's the biggest one so far.
They called it. This is fucking awesome.
They're getting bigger. I don't know how he turned this.
Yeah, I know it's gonna hit hard.
It's gonna hit hard. Be a little rocky here for a second. When I make the turn, these are big old fluffy waves.